Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I'm here to share my crafty haul that I got from the mail. So the first one that I got from the mail is this. This is from Pear Blossom Press, and she's the Amanda is the owner of the Pear Blossom Press, and she makes a lot of interactive cards, and her interactive cards are really awesome. So I love her channel. So that's this one here. She posts all her interactive cards on Facebook group, and it's called the Interactive Cards and Paper Crafts. And she sent me this paper clip here for free. I'm gonna leave her link down in the description box. So if you wanna check her interactive stuff that she used for her interactive cards, she also sells those things. She sells Chibitronics, LED lights, copper tape, and other stuff. But this one here, her and her husband created this to make your light up cards easily. So I got this one. I didn't get the other ones because I already have those ones. But I want to try her power pack. So this one here comes with 3 power pack, and I didn't realize that this one's already comes with battery, so that's really good. So I got this one here. So that's that one. And I also got this Hiffy Doodle Interactively Yours stamp set. I have the My Favorite Things interactive labels. I have this one, but these ones are smaller than this My Favorite Things stamp set. So I got this one. I want to try this one, and you get a lot of like this interactive sentiments here. So I got this one. I really like this stamp set, so I got that. I also got my Spellbinders Die Hard Club of the Month, and this time I only got the small die of the month because I don't like the large die of the month, so I didn't get that one. So this one comes with 12 cutting dies, and it's called the Home for the Holidays. And this is the back looks like, and it tells you how to assemble your die cut pieces. So that's that one. I also got my order from My Favorite Things, and they send you this thank you postcard. So they always wrap their package with this pink My Favorite Things tissue paper, and I haven't opened this yet. But I got this one here. They open their bolt every once a month, I think, and they bring the stamp and dice that are already retired. So I really like this one, and I think this is retired, but they have it now, so I got this one. So this one is called the Game Controller Die Set. My husband and my kids loves to play games, so that's why I got this one. And this die set also has coordinating stamp set, and this one is called the Level Up stamp set, and it has all the sentiments that you can use with this die here. So I really like this one. So that's that one. That's from My Favorite Things. I also got just one thing from Kindred stamps, and they always send you this free flare button here, and this time I got the I Love Kindred stamps. So I got this one here. They already released this last time, but I missed out on this stamp set. Audra, the owner, posted on Facebook that she's gonna have this restock on the website. So I decided to get this one because last time when it was sold out, it took a long time for them to restock again. So I got this time, and this one is the World of Magic, and it's has a lot of this characters here that I like from the movie, and you also get a few of the sentiments, and I really like this stamp set, so I got this time. So I got that. And then the last thing that I have is my order from Simon Says Stamp. I ordered twice from them, so that's why I have two of this postcard here. And this is the code this time. It's PURF5, and you save $5 on all orders of $5 or more. And this one is valid until November 20. So you can use this code if you want to buy something from Simon Says Stamp. So they have a clearance sale, and all of the ones that I like, it's already sold out. So this is the only one that I got from that clearance sale. So this one is the Casual Friday stamps, and it's called B. I don't know. There's no name. So I got this one here, and it has all the "you are capable of more than you know, live, love, laugh." And it comes with these butterflies here, and you get the small ones, the large ones, medium ones, and it has all the encouraging sentiments. So I really like this one here. So I got that. I also got this from Zigarda Design. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. But I like this stamp set here, and it doesn't have name. So, but I got this stamp set to make interactive cards from this stamp set, and the stamp set is already yellowed, so I don't know if this is used or not. So I got this one. I also got this one here, and this one is the Colorado Craft Company, and it's called the Bethlehem's Light stamp set, and I really like this one. My friend Cheryl also got this one and this one, because we're planning to make cards with this stamp sets for Christmas crafting. So you get this really nice image here, and you get a few of the sentiments. So I really like this stamp set. I also got this one here, and this one is called Santa is Coming. And again, I love this image here, and I love the card that Debbie used made using this stamp set. So that's why I decided to get this one. But this one is already on my wish list, and I think this one came out last year. I love this image here. And again, you get a few of the sentiments that you can use with your image. So I got this one. I also got this grid transparency, and this one is Simon Says Stamp brand, because I always stamp my sentiment crooked even if I'm using the Misty. So I decided to get this one to make my sentiments straight. So I got this one here. I also got this Hero Arts, and this one is called the Out of This World Christmas. So I have idea to make cards with this. And this is the stamp set that we are going to use for our collaboration next month with my friend Cheryl. So that's this one here. This one is for free. I got this on one of my orders, and it's the pen, Simon Says stamp pen. So I got this for free. I also got this Memento Tuxedo Black because I'm running out of my Memento marker. So I got new one this time, and this one comes with the brush, and this one is the fine tip pen on the other side. So I got that. And then the last one that I got from Simon Says Stamp is this powder tool, because my powder tool, as you can see, doesn't have the bristle anymore, so I need a new one. But you can still use the powder inside. You just open it and pour it on your paper. So that's that one. So I got new one this time. So that's this one here. So these are all the stuff that I got this time, and I'm gonna leave the link down in my description box below with this Pear Blossom press, so you can check her products. So I hope you enjoyed this whole video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.